guys, that's the board. Welcome to Kanyakumari.
So we are at Kanyakumari and trying a local food. Yeah, we will roam around the market.
Good morning people, day 4 and I am going for the sunrise point in Kanyakumari. It is actually really famous thing in Kanyakumari, the sunrise point.
Here we are at sunrise point. From this somewhere the sun will come out. I put you guys on a time lapse. Okay guys, so that is the famous statue of a famous poet, and that one is the Vivekananda Memorial. So guys, it's 7 AM in the morning and it's too cloudy as you can see, so that's why we are not able to see the sun. Hard luck, no problem, next time.
Wow, this area is full of windmills. Kanyakumari highway. I'm just ahead of Kanyakumari around 5 km and this windmill system is there. Look at it, full of windmills. Full lanes and lanes of windmill. Look at over there. Yeah, that's pretty good thing. So what we are doing is we are going from Madurai to Munnar. Because actually my bike has already done a 5,778 km, so it's time to change her engine oil. So that's why I'm taking it to the Royal Enfield showroom, which is on this route. And yeah, look at the windmills, amount of windmills, oh my god. Ek number.
Here we are at DG Motors. You can Google it out like where it is. It's on the highway. So that's the highway going from Kanyakumari to Madurai. So that's the highway and this is the showroom. So it's very actually close. Look at it. So yeah, whenever you need a like Royal Enfield service in this route, this is the place to come. And yeah, I'm here for I have done already 5,000 and around 150 km on my bike. So I have to like change my oil and oil filter. 9:45 in the morning and we are here. That is the service center. KTM inside the Royal Enfield. Service advisor. Say hi, Ravi. Okay, means who are like traveling here.
Yeah, very useful for riders only.
Okay. Okay, so, and he also helping us. He wait all the bikes and take our bikes first. So yeah, that's the really complimentary thing.
Yeah, but because we are to give importance for long distance customers
travelers,
only.
Right. Me, Uma Mangeshwaram, who is another rider, just he's servicing his bike over here. He found me, he spotted me, and he asked for the like card and everything. So it's really feels good, guys. So yeah, let's meet the Uma Mangeshwaram.
Hi.
So what are you doing here?
I'm civil engineer.
Okay. So where have you been with your Thunderbird?
Yeah, I have been Thunderbird in here also.
Okay.
I have a bike here.
In just a city ride.
Yeah, just a city ride.
So how was the experience?
And it's nice. It's super.
You like your bike?
Yeah, I love my bike.
Okay, we love your bike. Right. So that's the riders like feeling. We love our bike.
So guys, the bike is fully serviced up. I have changed the oil. I have changed the oil filter. Guys, it's 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and Madurai is around 44 km from here. And look at the weather. It seems like it's evening. It's raining very badly. I'm somehow like going on and on and on because we don't have to like stop, because this rain is really going crazy over here. It's raining, it stop, it's raining, it stop. I don't know what's going on with this road, man. Seriously, I'm hiding you guys right now behind my visor, and I'm proceeding. So we are taking like in 2.1 kilometer, we are taking left to that side. So that side, I guess no clouds, but this side is that much of a rainy cloud. That side no rain clouds. I hope so. I hope for the best, man. I don't know what's going on. Guys, we are 60 km away from Munnar, and look at this. Look at this section. Look at this section of the road. Wow, greenery plus all the ghat section. So that is what I am waiting from. So that's the like mountain where we are climbing. And here we start climbing. Wow, this is so nice ghat. This ghat section is awesome, I have to say. Like these U-turns are pretty sharp. I need my RC, I need my oh. Yeah, some sharp turn and we are up, as you can see. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Look at the fog and everything. Oh, wow, wow, wow. When we stop climbing, man, look at this map. From this road we come up. Oh. I'm sure that this road no motor vlogger have taken it. This road is covered by only Venderson and Lifestealer for sure. Now we are at top of the ghat section. Ghat section end here, and I can't show you what's down there because it's full of fog, and we are riding in fog now. This is really a crazy road. You don't have to go to Ladakh to experience this. Oh my god, my visor is fogged up. But I'm really enjoying this road. Seriously, this is so awesome. Riding to the fog, riding to the fog, riding through the fog. Venderson is behind me. Okay. Okay, there are some people. There is a car coming. And yeah, riding in the fog is seriously feels great. But I hope that you are not able to, like, what is this? This is some kind of a temple over here. This is the amount of fog we are dealing with. So guys, now all the fog almost gone, little bit of a here and there. Let me show you the beauty of this place. Take number. Wow. Wow man, seriously, this is the great place I ever visited. Wow. And one more thing guys. The Google is taking me through the jungle way, and Google is showing that this way is 6 minutes slower. So I asked the local, they said that road is faster, but there is lots of turn and that is the proper jungle. So guys, one more tip I want to give you all. Follow the Google, no doubt, but don't follow the Google in the jungle road. Don't leave your main road. There is always a road from the, like, if the distance, the slower distance is around 30 kilometers slower or 40 kilometers slower, then I can understand. But if the Google says like 20 kilometers slower, then don't ever leave your highway, please guys, because Google will take you to the fastest way possible, and then you will, oh, see the flower. Wow, these are really a great flowers, man. Yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, Google will actually end up you in the bad situation. If you like lost the range, then you're gone, then nobody will help you in the jungle. So yeah, don't do that. Don't leave your highway. Just enter into Kerala from Karnataka, and wow, look at the view. Yeah. So guys, I tried to go live, but it's not working with just Jio now. Look at this place, how quiet it is. Look at those flowers. I hope there is no snake. Wow, great. It's like fully untouched nature. The like trees are, oh, there are some monkeys. Yeah, there are some monkeys. Let's go. Tea garden. Photo. Vendors, and we want photo. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Wow. And these are the tea gardens.
On the way to Munnar, guys.
These are the tea gardens. Girls and boys, ladies and gentlemen, I present you tea gardens, the tea farms, or whatever you call it. So guys, we are around still 27 kilometers, and we found this nice spot. Look at that. I hope the GoPro is taking it clearly. Yeah, GoPro is taking it. It's really a great place. Guys, we are going through full of tea gardens. It's actually the evening, that's why they are not visible, but in the morning we will cover them for sure. That is the Munnar city. Munnar. Okay, so that's the Munnar. We are going to stay over there. And yeah, at 7 PM we are at Munnar. Yes. And it's so cold here. Yeah, that I actually forget to tell you. As soon as we like climb that ghat, that mountain, and from there the cold is started, and it's gonna be like a hell of a cold here at night. So yeah guys, looking forward to awesome scenery in the morning. Bye bye.
Yeah.